Hey guys, so to factory reset your Yale door lock, so what you need to do is that removing the Yale smart lock from the Yale Access app. So this is the first thing. Open the Yale Access app and go to the lock circle screen, which is the screen that shows you whether your door is locked or unlocked, and select the settings menu, select the device you want to reset, and scroll to factory reset, select reset lock. Then you can also physically reset the Yale lock. So then you need to remove the battery cover and batteries. Then you need to remove the interior side of the lock and access the reset button. And here it's going to be the reset button. You're going to see it right here. Then while pressing the reset button for a minimum of 3 seconds, reinstall batteries and release the reset button. While you're going to press and hold it, then you're going to replace the battery cover. So that's how you're going to do it. And I just want to make this quick video how you can reset it. Following factory reset, master entry code creation is the only option available and must be performed prior to any programming of the lock.